Yo, what's up, everybody? How you doing? We are in Olsztyn, North Poland, because we were doing notary thingy today, and we had to come to Olsztyn. It's so cold. It's actually -5 today, or something like this. Unbelievable. Sayang is laughing. Last time when we were in Olsztyn, we didn't make a video, and once I was 1.5 years ago, I make a video in Olsztyn, so the Gazeta Olsztyńska write about me in the newspaper. I was so happy about this one. I wish Gazeta Olsztyńska gonna write about me again. However, if not, I totally understand. Unfortunately, it's very cold, and we have to go to Poznań today. Back from Olsztyn to Poznań is 450 kilometers. So that will be difficult to show you much of Olsztyn, especially like castle, the citadel park and everything. So we're gonna come back in the summertime because it's actually pretty hard to hold my camera already. It's so cold. We don't use it. Actually, it's 5 degrees colder than in Poznań here.
The thing is that we just come here, just for the paperwork and our style, boom boom, chick chick, and then we have to go back to Poznan, and then tomorrow business is open and everything. I mean, like Damian's business is back, and also my work also got back.
Especially as we actually we left Poznan yesterday at 23:30, which is 30 minutes to midnight, and we arrived at 2:30 a.m. like before 3, and my mom and papa, we didn't sleep, wait for us. So we still talk with them, so we sleep like 5 hours, and now we have 500 kilometers to go home, and we're still going to see mama for lunch. You know how is it? So it's just like quick showing you around. This is Olsztyn. We're gonna show you. We actually park our car somewhere nearby the Dworzec Główny, which is the central railway station here in Olsztyn. I'm gonna show you a little bit what is at the front of us and a little bit on the road. But this is Olsztyn during the winter. So here we go, a little bit of the city view. It's clean. It's actually nice. Actually, when we are driving here, I was actually surprised as it's actually Olsztyn developing pretty well. It's better looking than Kielce. Oh my god, actually it's way better. Olsztyn is way better than Kielce. Actually, Olsztyn is nice. Our friend, well, we know the lady Joanna Jędrzejczyk living here, saying she's from Olsztyn. Asia, yeah. All the best if you're watching us. We met her a few times in Bali. And yeah, this is it actually. Very quiet. I mean, 100,000 people living in Olsztyn. To compare to Poznań is 5 times less.
Yeah, it's like the slow living city, no?
Slow living city, but well, it's pretty enjoyable, I could say, no? What do you think? Not much is going on, but it's actually the Dworzec is brand new. It's refurbished. Looks nice, Sayang, don't you think? Yeah. So, okay, I have to hide the camera in the phone. I mean, it's so cold, Sayang. Beautiful weather, by the way. The weather, Sayang, is amazing. It's cold, sunny, but it's really amazing, isn't it? So this is like where we parked, and this is the Dworzec kolejowy. I think it's brand new, refurbished. I will zoom it a little bit for you. So looks like this one. It's actually nice. I don't remember how was the old one looking around. As you can see, it's 3 o'clock Monday, 3 o'clock at Monday, and that's the traffic situation in Olsztyn. People waiting for the on the bus station. This is like totally opposite. There is no traffic jams in Olsztyn. Maybe a little bit they are sometimes and somewhere. However, this is the one of the main junction at the front of the Dworzec, as you can see over here. And the traffic looks like this. And it's like totally opposite to the Poznań. And not even mention about the Bali, because in Bali you will stuck for 2 hours. Let's go. And that's the one of the streets with the sun, like this one. Actually so lovely. I'm gonna tell you, crossing the street, that's the old town somewhere there. The bus, the trams, everything is here actually. Everything is here. The cars, the bus, the trams. Big city life, ale not that big. 100,000 something people living here. So the public transport is like this one. They have a pretty nice buses here, as you can see. Clean and nice, and actually everything feels newer here. They have a Straż Miejska, of course, here, and they have a trams, which they are also looking nice. Similarly painted to the Poznań one, also green and silver actually. So I know you feel cold. We get to the car quickly, yeah? Let's go. And that's how does it look like. There's some church, Makasz, of course, must be. Lovely lady walking around. So that's how does it look like. Okay, we show you later more from the perspective of the car, I guess.
Yeah, I think that better we just show around,
Driving.
from the car.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we are heading to Iława, tak kochanie? And then we just decided, to record it from the car because obviously we have a very limited time, and then we need to go back to Poznan soon. Oh, this is the Uber taxi in Poznan. No, in Olsztyn is totally different than Poznan. Poznan has a sign like a police sign.
Here
is only simple.
Only advertisement or the roof thingy only. Yeah?
Look at this sun. And I think that this one is the center, tak, next to Dworzec. And yeah, this is how it look actually.
Yeah, so this is how does it look like. We are driving a bit. That's how does it look like. It's sunny actually. Winter is nice today. Why nice winter and everything. However, it's cold. And we are really in rush, so that's why we have to,
Just little bit showing you the little bit update because it has been a long time we didn't make any video, right? And yes, here how the city look like. Tram.
Actually, Olsztyn is not bad. It's just small town. Very laid back, easy going,
So we were in the notarius today, and then seems like Olsztyn, even he said that seems like Olsztyn many business are developing here, right, Kohani?
That's correct. That's what he
and
said.
After we finish meeting and another people coming, with another business meeting a project, something like that. So what I can say then, yeah, so many
I mean,
things.
they actually, we can see so much constructions actually ongoing in Olsztyn.
Yes.
Olsztyn is the one of the cities here in Poland, if you look seeking for the peaceful life,
Yes.
If you are seeking for the peaceful life, the Olsztyn is great. It's like 100 or 150,000 people living perhaps in Poznan is 550,000, in Wrocław is 750, in Warsaw 1.5 million, and so on, in 3 cities 700 or something, in Krakow 1 million, something like that.
Yes.
But Olsztyn is like 100, 150, something like that one. Surrounds with so many lakes, with so many, green nature, forest and stuff like this one. So it's totally different. And it's in the northern Poland, so it's totally different. But here during the summer is the tourism industry actually pretty well developed, and it's totally slow life. It's just different, But if you like such of thing like this one and you're seeking for life like this one, it's cool. Like for perhaps today I pay 2 hours parking for 5 zloty, in Poznan will be 14 zloty. So,
it means like the cost of living here probably much cheaper if compared with different cities in Poland.
Yeah, that's the thing. But this is still like a state city, and still you can get anything you want, and it's just different. I mean, it's just more quiet and more peaceful.
So we are continuing our video, and you see like on the left, on the right side, and this is how I think this is the city center look like. And then over there is the crane, tak? And Damian last time was joking that he wants to do a crane operator.
Yeah, I was joking. I said, "Gonna become the crane operator." Actually, I mean, you have a nice view. You're sitting on the 100-meter on the metal construction on the top. There is aircon. You just do the simple thing. It's pretty well paid job. I mean, it's alright. I mean, I never do the crane operator job. I said, why not to try something different? Ale, we need to make the idea.
No, I think that you just miss the moment like you fly a drone. Maybe like that, Kohanya.
Kind of. Maybe that's actually a lot of similarities.
So that's the thing. Okay, we're just waiting for the...
Now is the traffic jam. Actually, I would like to officially, and you can turn the camera, I would like to officially reverse, like Uno reverse, as there is actually big traffic jam in Olsztyn. Previously, I thought there is not. Now I said there is actually very bad traffic jam. I'm so
Kochanie,
sorry.
because this
I
one is the
wanted to
rush hours.
I wanted to be optimistic, ale now is the traffic jam.
Traffic jam is always in the big cities, but this
But
one is
Olsztyn
just
is not a
simply...
big city lah.
Yes, but this...
That's what I said just previously, right?
Yeah.
But this is traffic rush hours and so on. But it's okay. It's not that bad anyways. Could be worse. So, oh, you see? They're building something, and this is the giraffe, the crane.
The crane, so Damian...
Wanted to be on the top of it, operator. I got this idea, I don't know why actually. Maybe because I see so many cranes everywhere around, right?
So many cranes.
Flying drone with the 2 tons of the cement on the top. But, well, hopefully everything will be
So
okay.
guys, macadamia apartment. Oh, will be brand new apartment.
Yeah.
Tak.
Tak.
Yes.
There will be, and now we are going soon to the main street, which is bohaterów bitwy warszawskiej 19-20.
Yes. Okay, I will show you the crane. So that's Kochanie, you really want to work.
I didn't say I really want to. I said maybe I will do so, and you said no. So I said okay, forget about that. I mean, just an idea actually. Not a career path. It's just like for crack. I will just make a license, work 2 months, and probably change for something different. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Ale maybe not.
Oh my god. This is just like the talk while waiting for the traffic, okay?
All right.
So the thing is that it's supposed to be like big thick winter, no? Tak, Kochanie?
Yeah, on the top.
But there is no snow currently, right? And this is the view actually of the city during the rush hour.
So technically there is the jam, here is the jam, next to roundabout, there is the lake. Okay, okay, no problem.
Right. Yes. So we are waiting for the traffic jam, and this is how it looks. So long.
This is totally so much misunderstanding. This is like I make a mistake, like really, there is big traffic jam in Olsztyn actually. It's bigger than in Poznan, I guess. I'm so sorry. If you switch off the video in the first 2 minutes, I just would like to say it's big traffic, you know.
It's okay, we are human. We are not AI, okay?
We are not
Sometimes we make a mistake. It's okay, normal. We do apologize for making mistakes sometimes. So this one is the talking actually while waiting for the traffic jam. Ale, look at this. You see? Brand new dome apartment everywhere, no? But yeah, the development is many. Tak, Kochanie?
Sayang, look pociąg.
So, you know what pocong means in Indonesian?
What?
Pocong means a ghost.
Ghost?
Yeah, but here pocong means a train. Pocong!
Sometime if not arrive, because late is also like a ghost.
It's like a
actually.
ghost.
If you Polish, you know what I mean. So,
Oh my god, the traffic is
traffic
so
is so
long.
bad, so terrible. Actually, I think Olsztyn have also the biggest traffic jams right now.
I don't know.
Unbelievable. This is terrible. This bohaterów bitwy warszawskiej street is so trafficked, so packed, stacked.
You're Polish, you like to complain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Already been more than 1 year in Poland after 15 years.
Oh my god, now stop.
complain.
Oh, the thing is that the light is so fast. That's my husband.
Yo, that's me. I was so optimistic long time ago.
Drag, what now?
So pessimistic.
Oh my
Back
God.
to the roots, right?
Back to the roots. if you are not complaining, you are not Poles.
We have that in the blood, you know. You have to complain. You are Polish, you complain, right? Mieszkasz w Polsce, mówisz po polsku i complain, right?
Oh my god.
You know what, Sang?
Tak.
I already figured out the title of today's video, wiesz?
Tak. Co?
It will be, like I mentioned before, as in Olsztyn is slow life, right? And this is like a real meaning of slow life. This traffic is terribly slow, and there will be like slow Olsztyn, Poland, Olsztyn, slow life for real. Or real slow life, something like that.
my God.
Everything is slow here. People drive slow, it's slow traffic. I don't know. I mean, some people love life like that, you know, in the small town, but I used to spend some time of my life in the smaller cities than this one. As you know, as I'm coming from Iława, is small city, ale Olsztyn is different, you know. I don't know.
Just tell me, this traffic jam reminds me of old life in Asia. Tak, the traffic jam. That's why you complain a lot.
Yeah, kind of.
Tak, yes.
But I cannot understand why.
Hey, look, there is no traffic light. Like, look at how the people drive. Look.
Weird,
See?
strange.
See? Like this.
Olsztynian. But I don't understand. Next to the train station it was quiet, and suddenly I get out from the train station to the main street and it's become so busy. This is doesn't make sense. Yeah, look, roundabout is empty, and this guy is like so slow. He's supposed to go already so fast long time ago. If he drive in the big city, he will be like honked, like boo boo. Cannot do like that, so slow driving, because people driving so slow, they cause traffic. This is like proof that if you drive slow, you make a more traffic jam. You have to be like push, you know. You want to achieve something in your life, you have to push fast. Okay, now is the traffic is finished, and I feel already more relaxed. We're going back home, going to Iława, alright? Alright.
It's gonna be a beautiful sunset.
Beautiful, Saya, beautiful.
Okay, we meet a traffic jam again now. Hey, look, so many crane. You see, we just. Tam,
Yeah.
we just.
But say again, if I have a license for the crane, like whatever happened in the world, somebody needs to operate the crane. It's like secure, you know.
Okay. You see now. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Here already the traffic is more
Relax.
relaxed.
Okay.
There's the lake somewhere over there. I can see on the map.
Tak. And the woods. Okay, we are heading to Iława now. Okay, so now is going to the
Going to Iława, as you
Tak.
can see, we are going through the woods. It's 4 o'clock. Took us 45 minutes to get out actually from the 1 hour actually to get out from the Olsztyn. But if you just go outside of the city, it's quiet, it's empty, like nothing is going on, not too many cars and anything. We are heading to Iława, to my hometown. So actually, like I said, the landscapes outside are nice. There are a lot of woods and stuff like this one, countryside roads. The only one issue in this side of Poland, at North Poland, especially in this state, even is my home state, is that as there is so many speed cameras, police checkpoints, they really everywhere. I mean, like really everywhere. 4 speed cameras on the distance of 80 kilometers is like ridiculous. And at least 2 times police. Already once they were in Olsztyn, and there will be somewhere also the checkpoint, you know. So you have to be very careful with the speed if you ever decide to go here by car by yourself. However, well, that's life. But the roads are improved actually since the last 20 years. The roads are actually really nice right now, I have to say.
Yeah, the sunset soon a little bit dark.
Dobrze, but that's how does it work. When the sun, then when you face the sun with the camera, it's dark a little bit. It's okay. we also have a sunsets in Poland. Some people said there is no sunsets in Poland. They are like, how you can? Sun is everywhere the same, all around the world. Either you are in Australia, you are in Poland, or you are in the goddamn Siberia or Canada. Everywhere is the same. Sun is one. It's just like, come on, people. How you can say like that?
It means that they never travel.
Yeah, in Poland we have a saying, wiesz, w dupie byłeś, gówno widziałeś. So how to translate that?
I don't know. I should hire
You were inside your, and
you know.
you see the,
Yes.
you should.
Okay then.
All right, let's go.
Wow, what a beautiful sunset in the winter.
Oh, actually beautiful, isn't it? Actually, the sun during the winter is like lower, you know, so it's like actually very nice.
So after you complaining a lot, now we are praising the sun.
Because I didn't complain about the sun, I just said that some people say that there is no sun in Poland.
So they never been. They don't learn geography or something like that.
I mean, there is no words.
They don't learn astronomy or something.
Whatever.
Okay. Oh, Soto, yes?
Big shopping complex in Olsztyn.
Olsztyn. Nice. Look at the big wide road and sunset.
So lovely, isn't it? Alright, just pull over to the gas station to fill the petrol, of course. And while gas station Orlen and stuff like this one, but I want to show you one thing. Plane here, it's actually cool. Next to the Orlen, you don't see that often stuff like this one. As you can see, petrol station or the sunset, not paid endorsement for the Orlen, is state company for the petrol. Ale plane is actually nice in the big shape. It's here since forever, I know, in the really good shape. Cannot fly, I guess. Ale it's here, and we need to stay in the car because she feel cold. All right, I come back to car. It's actually very cold, so I like you stay in the car, huh? Crazy, okay. Right?
I think that's all our video today. Show a little update about what's going on. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya, take care.